Hey guys, today we're going to be learning how to make a four-mouthed. Okay, my paper is a little long. Isn't that a bad thing? Well, I think I'm going to fold it the opposite way, not upward. But you guys, if you have a normal piece of paper, you're going to fold it upward. And then for my piece of paper, I want a long base. So I'm going to fold mine like this. Like this again. No! If you guys are new to my channel, just hit the subscribe button, please. I'm a small creator. I just started my YouTube channel because my dream was to become a YouTuber. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button because this is actually my 50 subscriber paper dragon. It's a foot now. So, after you're done doing that, you should have a little flap at the top. Let me turn it over so you can see it. What am I doing? I don't know. At the top, just like mine. And then you're going to, I like to do it with glue because it actually sticks. But if you want to do it with tape, you're just going to like put it down and then like, yeah, do that. No! Okay. Just gonna glue this down and then fold on top of it. There we go. You have your top. Make sure to make your top thicker than the bottom. Now that we have the top or the bottom, we're going to fold that in half. Gup. Oh my god. I'm trying to fold it in half. Okay, fold it in half. Now, if you're not a paper dragon creator and you don't have paper dragons, we are not going to be building on top of it like this. That is just illegal. We are going to put some flaps here and down here so we can go chomp, chomp, chomp. And yeah. So now that we have our top, we're going to put that off to the side. I ran out of normal paper, so I grabbed one of my notebooks and ripped out a lot of pages out of it. So we're going to have freaking notebook paper. This paper dragon might not be my strongest one, like my cardboard one. By the way, my cardboard one broke. R.I.P. Leaf, but I'll staple him back together one day. Okay, let me try and get a piece of paper. Let me just measure this. So, since we have this, I'm just gonna, where's my fancy pencil? I got a fancy pencil. I'm just gonna mark this. And with my big boy scissors, say hi to Bobby. It's Bobby. Just gonna cut my line. And this can be for something else. ASMR people. Don't mind that. It was normal. It was totally okay. Okay, now is this long enough? Yes. So we can put that off to the side. You're gonna fold it a little bit thinner. This turns out good because this is my I wonder what will happen when I fold this in half, because I already can tell that it's going to be itty bitty, and I don't like that. Paper dragon creators do not like that. Big reveal. It's going to be small. Oh, just a little bit small. Well, we're doing it this way, I guess. We'll cut it in half. sorry this video is kind of taking a long time, but practice makes perfect. It used to take me an hour to make like a normal paper dragon, but now it takes me 30 minutes. And I've only been making paper dragons for like 2 months. So yeah, that's what's slight about it. Let's see, how small is this one? That is, wow. I think we could cut off a little bit of it. Measure up to right there. I think we could cut about right there. Okay, now we have our base. I'm gonna sit down. I don't know why I've been standing here sometimes. So now that we have, get out of here. Now that we have this and this, take the top, whatever one is bigger. If you need to measure, just whatever one is like bigger and fatter. And just like my axolotl here. Say hi to Loot. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, that's Loot. He's my axolotl. Grab another piece of paper, and you are going to, this is a part that you have to be precise, the precise part. Now you're going, I'm just gonna make this part thin, because my glue is gonna dry out. So you are not going to measure your itty bitty finger, that is way too small. You're just gonna measure to about like 2 fingers, and then, where's my pencil? You're going to trace the edges, not the inside. Oh, I can barely see it. You're going to trace the edges. Oh, yeah. Trace the edges. That looks horrible. Don't mind outside. Here it's kind of windy, so don't mind me. And then you're gonna line it up, make sure it works totally. And then you're gonna draw little flaps. So you can fold them on and then glue it to your paper dragon. And after you're done, it should look like this. After you're done doing that, you are going to take some scissors. If you're a little child, you should make sure you have adult supervision. But I'm only like 2. Just gonna cut this spucky out, spuckalicious out. And then we are going to fold the flaps down, whatever flaps you got, and take your top, and then you're going to go like that. No, I'm kidding. You're gonna put glue on your flaps before you fold them. I'm a dummy. I folded them before I put glue. So don't do what I just did. If you already did, that's okay. Just do that. And then you're going to line it up just like this. I don't really know if that was in the camera, but it was now. And then you're going to do that. Now, it looks like we're done. I just like doing that because I want. No! Technical difficulties. Okay, now that I got that, we are not done with this. So, if you already threw away the page, it's fine. But take the page that you used earlier, and you're going to line that. This is not even. Do you see that? Do you see that little thing? It's out of order. I'm just going to do that. So you're going to take this, you're going to trace it again. Some paper dragon creators just create a top again and then just go chomp, chomp, chomp. But what I like to do is you're going to draw the flaps. And you are going to measure your finger and draw a line wherever your finger meets. And then take the little boys, and it should look like that. And then whatever length your finger is, in the wind. I'm crazy today. We're having like a tornado. No, I'm kidding. Okay. So after you do that, you can still keep that paper if you want, if it's too crowded. Or you can get a new paper. That didn't even make sense, I don't think. I don't really know.
I did it again.
Okay. It's okay. Put glue on the flaps. Take your top piece. Gonna line it up. Some people erase the little lines, but it just takes up too much of my time. So yeah. But if you want your base to look clean, inside of the base, you see those little marks right there? You can erase those after you're done making them. So if you were to make a mini dragon with this, it would look like this with 2 fingers. But if you were to make a normal dragon, it would look like this. And that would be terrifying, but we're making a form of it. Oh my god. Now that you have the top base, you're basically going to make 3 more bases. Yeah, that's what you're going to do. You're going to make 3 more bases. But we're not doing that today, Buckies. We're going to do something more simple. Okay. Technical difficulties again. My glue keeps falling off. I'm just going to put that right there. I don't want these little floppy thingies right here. I'm just going to cut this paper and feed it over there. I've been standing for a really long time, and I don't know why, but I just am. Okay, now for this one, it's going to basically be the same. You're going to do this. I can't really speed it up that fast, so I'm just going to, like, speed through it by myself. Like, so. I hate when it does that, so I'm just going to. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Okay, I'm just gonna... Ow! I hate when paper dragons do this. So sometimes I'll just go like that. I'll just go like that. Beautiful harmony. Draw your little flaps. And I'm going to cut it out using good boy scissors because it doesn't take that much time. Get it in one foul slice. Now that we have that, this time I'm going to be a smart person and I'm going to fold them down and then add the glue. Because I'm being smart. Look how smart I am, guys. I'm so slay and smart. Yes. Okay. While you guys are hopefully doing this with me or just watching me, it's okay too. You guys can hit the like button on this down below on this video. I know, it's like what every YouTuber says to gain subscribers, but I'm just a small creator. Okay, this is me every time I make a paper dragon. I always just go. Test out their ASMR. This ASMR sucks. Okay, don't mind me. I do that all the time. Okay, I have the little flappies. So whilst I'm doing this, that sounded weird, I can tell you all about the drama that's happening. I know you guys probably don't want to hear this, but you are anyway. Because my cousin on her YouTube channel does this all the time. Oh, and by the way, go check out her channel. Her channel is called Celia Kittredge. And go to her channel and show her some love. That sounded very weird. And for this one, you're going to measure your thumb. I don't really know if you can see this or not, but you can now. Okay, so basically I have this friend. Her name is Sage. She reminds me of my best friend, Leona. And Leona, she moved schools when I was like in second or first grade. And ever since that, whenever I met Sage, she just like seemed like Leona. I had a play date with Leona a couple days ago. So this girl at my age, I'm not gonna get into my best friends right now. So this girl at my age, she is really, really rude. She pretends to be my friend, but she isn't. She isn't, guys. She isn't. Vote team paper dragon lover. If you're not a bully. Okay, this is me every day. Chill. If this was a real paper dragon, like just like a normal paper dragon, what would you rate this base? Let me give you some ASMR. Don't be suspicious. I'm kind of debating something. No, I hate when that happens. No, my child. No. I'm debating or not whether I should connect this or I should not. I'm not going to. I am going to actually. So if you want to connect it, which you totally should, yes queens, you're going to cut out 2 squares, and then you're going to fold them in half. And then if you want, you can cut off corners like this, so it'll look like a triangle when you open it up. Just do that for the other side. Like that, so you have 2 little triangles, and then when you open them up, they're a diamond. So when you're done with that diamond, where's my glue stick? Oh, here it is. I'm gonna put glue all over this. I just like doing this because it's easier. And you're gonna line up the thing with the fold, just like I'm doing. Like that. No! Like that. You're gonna line it up wherever you want. And you're just gonna fold the thing down. And there you go. That's how you make a regular base, but in the comments remind me what was the actual thing that we're making. That's right, we are making a form out. So this is just base 1. Oh, I forgot about the other triangle. This is just base 1. We have to make 1 more base. I made a 6-mouth dragon that I don't think I'll ever finish. Where is she? And because this 6-mouth sucks. I started working on her, but I don't really want to finish her. The one thing I hate is those bases that you never finish. I don't really know her name, but yeah, it's beautiful. So yeah, that's a dragon that'll never be finished. This dragon will be finished for my... So there's my base. Okay, now for the real ASMR. Wasted. Okay, don't mind what just happened. I don't even know why that's over here. This is the second time today that it's fallen. But I want you guys to like 4-part, subscribe. You know what? Actually, subscribe for part 2. Bye, guys.